Hey, it's Fuzzy. Thanks to the sponsor, I've been sent ahead to do a review on the V-series vacuums, okay? Now, this is good for the V7 up to the 15 and the SV10 up to the 22. Now, this is not compatible with the slim model Dyson, okay? All right, let's get into the packaging and see how the head works and go from there. This here is a product that you can use on your carpet, okay? So this is pretty cool, actually. We're going to go demonstrate it here in a bit, yeah. So it comes with your brush, and that cleans up all your head and all this stuff here if you need to clean anything up. It's got a little hook there to grab hair off your brush. We'll show you that too. But right there, look at this. Look how that expands out. That's pretty cool right there. Okay, we're going to use that in a minute. All right, in the box is your head, okay? In the head, you can see that this goes 180 degrees, okay? So you can go under, desks and dressers and stuff like that. And then you've got a 90-degree turn here that you can do that. Now, what I do with these is I take these all apart and I see if their bearings are sealed and everything else. And I'm going to get into that in a minute. Now, to emphasize the product functions, we're going to go through and do some cleaning of floors and vacuum some carpet and stuff like that. Okay, but first, before we do that, I want to show you how to take this head. So basically, right here, it's got a lock and an unlock. So you just unlock that and pull your brush out so you can clean it out. Now, this is where your brush comes in, okay? So that little hook. Now, if you've got hair on here or whatever, you can hook that and pull your hair off, okay? And then while you're in here, you can take your brush and brush all this off, so on and so forth. You can take your brush and you can clean up inside your head, so on and so forth. Now, right in here, it's got a hair catcher, okay? So there's little teeth in here. So as your brush comes around, these will grab your teeth, bring it across, and suck it down into the vacuum tube, okay? So that's pretty cool right there. All right, so okay, it's got nice felt or soft plush felt, whatever you want to call it, to go up against your walls, that kind of thing. This felt runs along your floor, and this is removable. Now, I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay, so what I check and to make sure that these things are good quality is to make sure that the bearings that sit here and here are sealed, okay? So that's really important to me anyway. All right, now back here you've got your rollers, and they roll real nice, and so on and so forth. Don't tighten them too tight because they won't roll. So you just tighten them firm and then back it off a little so they roll real nice like that, okay? Okay, so let's do this. Now what I do, I just take these off. Now you can replace that if this felt wears out. Really cool. Now, this is how you do it, okay? So you can take that out and just replace the felt, okay? But you got to actually take this off in order for it to come out, okay? Okay, so now when I check these bearings, I take this end off and I actually take this bearing out. Now, I've hit some products where that bearing is not sealed, okay? And what happens when they're not sealed is hair and dust can get in there, and eventually they won't turn, or they'll get dry and they'll start to squeal, okay? And you'll say, what is wrong with my head? It's making a whole bunch of noise. Well, it's either that bearing is going out or it's full of dust and so on and so forth, and it's making because dust is gravel and it'll start making a noise, right? So I have taken this bearing out and it is sealed also. Now I want to show you what I do to take that out, and it's a good practice to get in here and clean that out, okay? So you just want to hold that and take that screw out. Make sure you don't lose the screws. Take the pliers. Okay, so takes a bit, but anyway, so I got that out. It's not easy to get in there to get that. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that that's the seal bearing too, okay? And that is a seal bearing inside there. Now to get that out is not a fun thing to do. But anyway, so all we're checking to make sure that that's sealed, okay? That tells you that we got a quality product here and they put some time and effort into it to make a quality product, okay? Okay, that's back in there. Let's get this bearing put together. All right, we're gonna go give that a try in a minute. I just want to show you this head. Okay, so this head has got a kind of a one-way, I'm gonna call them teeth. One way it catches and the other way it doesn't catch. One way it catches, the other way it doesn't catch, okay? So you want to go back and forth on your carpet in order to catch stuff. I've just actually vacuumed with a different head on our carpet upstairs, and we're gonna go see what I've missed with this unit right here. All right, let's go get her done. Okay, let's see what's on this carpet. Oh, look at that. Okay, so that is after I ran an older head over this, and that's what it pulled up. I'll tell you what, that's amazing. This is a couch that is always covered, but I uncovered it, and we're going to see what we can pull off here. Let's do it. Okay, you can see what was pulling out of that, right? Now that is all hair, okay? I'm going to suck that back in, and I'm going to show you what I just got off that couch. I cleaned the canister, and then I'll vacuum it all back up again. That's what came out of that couch. All right, I got a V11, and let's get her done. I got an empty cartridge, so let's see what we can pull out of there with this head. Let's see what we can catch in this head and go from there. And you can see that there's a light right here. So if you're in a dark room or whatever, or a room that doesn't have any lights, or it's really dim in there, you can see what you're vacuuming underneath stuff. Okay, so that's one round. Now you can see some of the stuff that's got caught on here, okay? Now, if it's hair or whatever, you can take your little brush and you can run it across there and pull it off. But as I was going, I could see the hair going into those little teeth and stripping it of the roller on the inside and pulling it into the vacuum itself. Now, if we look into the vacuum, that's what I pulled out. Okay, so that's telling me that the job I did earlier yesterday, it wasn't a very good job with the head I did use. And but yeah, look at that. That's a lot. Okay, I don't care who you are. That's a ton of stuff after you vacuumed it once already.